Hi everyone, it's Tammy, and I have a Michaels haul, and I think I still have one more coming. So I've done a little bit of damage at Michaels, but they had these sales that I just couldn't pass up. So this one is yarn, and I know you guys are all surprised. And I'm pretty sure I have something in mind for these, but for the life of me, as I'm sitting here trying to think, I don't know what it is. I should know. I'm trying to think. But I have these. These are Vanna's Choice Lion brand yarn. And I saw that they had an invoice, so I'm going to see. Oh, it doesn't have any pricing on it. Bummer. I thought that one of them had a pricing on it, but I guess it's not the Michaels ones. Oh well, I can't tell you how much, but these are Vanna's Choice. They're a Lion brand, and they are 100% acrylic, but they feel so good. I know that acrylic is kind of poo-pooed by people, but I have no idea why, because I love it. So if you guys know why, you guys are more experienced knitters than I am, some of you, and I would love to hear why acrylic is poo-pooed and wool is. I mean, I guess acrylic is not a natural fiber and wool is, but wool is kind of known for being itchy, and acrylic is so soft. I don't know. I mean, I think the blend is kind of nice, but acrylic is cheaper. I do know that, and sometimes that's what I'm going for. So this is a medium weight. It's a number 4, and you get, how much? 170 yards in each skein. And the colorway for this is beige. So I got 3 of those. And I know I have projects in my head, and like I said, I just can't remember what they are right now. I hate that because it's crazy. And these are new to me and new to my Michaels. I don't know if they are new everywhere, but these are really cute. And these are from Caron, Pantone. And I don't even know if I'm saying that right, but I know I've heard that brand before. This is them, Caron, Pantone, and these are the colors I got. Doesn't really have a colorway, but it just shows you the different colors, and it gives you a little picture that was like an inspiration picture, and then it gives you a couple of ideas. And so there's 5 colors, I guess. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. So it's like having 5 mini skeins in one skein. So together, oh, this is Morning Blues. Yes, it does have a colorway. Let's see if it tells me. This is a number 5, bulky weight, 60% acrylic, 20% nylon, and 20% merino wool. So I do know that nylon helps make things a little stronger, so you could make like slippers maybe with this. 3.5 ounces and 127 yards total. So it's about 25 yard skeins, like 4 or 5 mini skeins. And when you buy them online, you have to get 3 at a time. So I have like 75 yards of each of the 5 colors. So I could do something really cute with them, but I kind of like the idea of doing something like that hat that has them all blended together, or this one too, you just can't see it as well. It's just different placement of where they put everything. So one skein can certainly make a hat, or probably, I don't know, a pair of socks or something like that. So I think it's really cute, and I'm excited to try that. Now this is where I know I have something in my head, and thank goodness I've been trying to keep a list of stuff, so this will help me. But this is called Jade Heather, and these are Pantone's classic wool worsted, and this is a number 4, and these are wool, I believe. 100% wool, maybe? Where does it tell me? 100% pure new wool. So, and like I said, this is kind of a little itchy. It's definitely not as soft as the acrylic. So I don't know, but I know it's supposed to be really warm too, so that's a good thing. And this is a color that everyone in my house likes, so I thought that this would be good to use on different things for all of us. And even these together is pretty. So this one came with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 skeins of this Jade Heather color. And then I have 5 skeins of this one too, which is also wool, and this is in the color, it just says Aran, which is kind of funny because I know that that's a weight in some places too, ARAN, but this is kind of, maybe, I think I was thinking of these two going together. I mean, I could make some really cute colorway gloves or some mittens or a hat, whatever. So that's, and actually now that I say that, I remember there being a hat pattern in Ravelry that has like little trees, and I thought it was really cute, and that would be really cute with that too. So maybe that's what I was thinking, just some colorway projects. So that is what I got from Michaels. 5 of these, 5 of these, 3 of these, and 3 of these. So I'm excited to see what I can come up with. I need to add these to my list of stash and start knitting. So I'll talk to you soon. Bye bye.